Hey guys, welcome back. A little update. So I did pick up a 2022 Golf R. I tried to get a new one, but as you all know, the market is kind of overpriced. And I did pay over MSRP on this used example, but I wanted to try it. I'm going to Wookies in the Woods, and the car that I originally ordered is not going to be here. So long story short, I picked this up, and just want to kind of go over the highlights and how to compare it to all the previous versions of the Golf R that I've had. I've owned the Mark 6, the Mark 7, twice each, and it took me a while to get one of these, but overall the car is great. So I picked it up with 1,800 miles. It was a one-owner car. It was sitting up in North Carolina, and I'm down here in Florida, and it's got 2,500 miles right now, so, you know, the drive down, and then I've driven it around town a bit, and, you know, it's much better than the previous generations. You can really feel the rear end kick out, and every turn you can actually see and feel the rear end working. Now, a lot of people are asking, hey, is it worth it? You're paid over MSRP. Why are you doing this? Yada, yada, yada. Well, you know, life's short, and I kind of figured that I want to own this before my next car arrives. So this is going to be a short ownership, but I kind of want to highlight some of the things that, you know, differentiates this from the previous generations. Like, as everybody knows, the interior is vastly different. And my wife and I were going out to dinner last night. She said, "Ooh, wow, I like this. It's really smooth and simple on the inside." And she's right. You know, we got a much bigger moonroof than the Mark 7s, you know, 7.5s, kind of got the roof back, but you know, it's sleek, it's modern, the tech inside is insane. The adaptive cruise, the feel of the paddles, the steering wheel, the sound of the car, even it's got exhaust burbles. But you know, overall, I would say this is definitely in the right direction, and I'll probably mod it up a bit more. You know, as you can tell, I did the headrests, even though the stitching doesn't match. We'll fix that. I'm going to do the power folding mirrors. You know, I did the hood strut. I already got wheels, as you saw, so, you know, I bought the car on a Friday, and then the following Sunday I had wheels picked up down in Miami. But, you know, I can certainly say, if you're on the fence and you're thinking about it as a previous Golf R owner or previous VW owner, even GTI, I would definitely recommend it. But, you know, overall, I think it's a good buy. So I will post up another video later once I get a little bit more driving time. But, you know, I just wanted to showcase this exciting time that I got a chance to pick one up. Questions, comments, please put it down below. I love to share this with fellow enthusiasts, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.